Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the teleport filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, and go to spatial effects. Okay, here remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and you can see pictures from your camera roll. You can select the picture. Let me select this one. Now you have to show your palm and you will be teleported to the particular place. Let me change to a different image. Okay, already I'm there. Back to home, back to Paris. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok, and if you are not getting the filter here, you can go to discover and you can search for teleport, and here you will see video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there and from there also you can use this effect. Now let's go here, and still if you are not finding the filter, then let me go back. Then you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on this record button at the bottom of the screen, and likewise also you can get this effect. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.